kau boba hai feeling khai ta bono nugui
tini single campaign khai tongmani morning ni sini nongkhorei tabuk dipor ne already dam tham tamui tongo campaign khai pro je fusun bo bilo phai Sogpikha thik sini prochar ba awi mongpai mani pore ang khanai mangka sini one of the most active warriors sini dada ani dada nihar Debbarma Somendro Debbarma gai bo thanai September talni simi suddenly all of a sudden uze medicine chamani problem ayurvedic joknamani pore bini paralyzed thangka kabono nugui sengkha khamka gai bobai jeskapono malai thana hini seng tini bini nukungo phai Sogpikha malai seng bobai kok kaham hamya salaimani pore ang blaike khaksangkha tongthoka tai dada bai malai agini haikeno seng bono mana musungmani teibo active ngai boto pora kamirogo prochar khai tongo bubagrani samung khai tongo piaba tini bini sak sori hamyang ma bai bonogo kisa asukma tongrakha haipono seng obo hai active warrior sokni bagai buskangni salo seng wan suk lai tongo bahike koi tongo tai bubagrani bisingti botini je kok kusar mani abono sini bagai boro kok khaisi rukurok all the times rang puisha it's not important relation je bukha connect engmani that is more important I believe buskangni salo joto ramchandro gadono sung obo hai je jengjal klai tongmani ek je active warrior sokwi sung jesek mangsak the maximum number of people we sung malai nani bagi chai to tongo and blaike hambai maro sin dada nobo bo sungno bini nukungo lamsogui sungno lamjak mani bagi haisi blai hambai sung obono salaikya sung je chukti sung wan sugui tongo joto kok to sung satoglia media ni bisingti but sini dada bo sini family ni member Ramchandro Gadi family ni member and Jeffro sini family member kuno problem ngo jingjal klayo sak sori hamyango a family wo buta bufuyung bibi bahanok joto mili winyo sung chubalai haisi and we are part of the family sung baskani salabo klaine hambai